Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com, and I'm back today to give you guys the straight dope on what really happened today in the crypto market. Now, if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know I probably say this at the end of every month, which is that you should be ready for a surprise from the counterparties at the end of the month. And here's the perfect setup for a surprise. Everyone, and I mean everyone, is waiting on a retaliation from Iran as a result of the U.S. participating in the Israel and Iran conflict. And it happens. And all of a sudden, every market goes up. This is our fearmonger, and we're showing one of five bulls right now. Now, just the other day, I was on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, really, I question your life decisions. Seriously, I was just saying, hey, we're registering one bear over here out of five, and all of a sudden we moved to neutral, and now we're registering one bull. And what a difference a day makes. And why would this be if everyone was anticipating a retaliation? Even prior to this, we started to see the markets hardening and going up. So let's talk about it. It's the end of the month, guys, and there has to be that surprise by the market maker, and the market maker counterparty, whatever you want to call them. They want to keep more of a balance inside of the market, but when everyone is getting ready to go short, it's just too enticing. You've got to go out there and you've got to eat those shorts. And I believe that's what happened on today. And if you followed my channel, you know I like to trade off of data, and I'm primarily a price action and statistical arbitrage trader. So let's go and look at some data here. We already covered we're one bull plus, but this is Bitcoin. Okay, so now Bitcoin's a sturdy cryptocurrency. We're still in the same place here as far as Ethereum. I froze this page here. This is our crypto screener. Froze this at the end of the UTC day, and we have 30 tokens and crypto coins going up and only one going down. How can this be in the midst of talks of war and retaliation? Well, let's see how bad it is. When you see yellow on here, this is a cautionary effort, and you can see that on the 30 days, all of these things, if you were to run a line from 1 to 100, all of these tokens, they're going down. All these crypto are going down, and then all of a sudden, I guess people got really happy about a war. I mean, if you believe that, then maybe you believe in Santa Claus, and maybe you believe in the Easter Bunny. Okay, and there ain't nothing wrong with that. Keep hope alive. You know what I'm saying? But I believe what's happening is this: there was just a bit of a short squeeze here, and the market makers went ahead. And look, the only thing down is Pax Gold. The only thing. Why would professionals be selling out of gold in a situation like this and buying into all of these crypto? It doesn't really make any sense. Now, you can see that we're generally swinging up over here on Bitcoin Cash, so I'll buy that. But what I really would find questionable is when I see things that are generally swinging down, like Decentraland, and all of a sudden it's up. Not only is it up, it's dramatically up. That's why you've got that caution for on today. And all of these things, it all happened somehow at the same time, at the same day. Guys, that's all this is. This is called back in my day, they used to call this a fix. Okay, let's go over here and look at a chart. This is my 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, And this gray line here and this gray line here is where I originally set my market maker zone, and we just blasted right through that and made it all the way up to 3 deviations on the day. There was statistically only about a 10% chance of us getting there, but somehow everybody was very happy and we ran. And we also made it to the weekly swing up. This is, I'm recording this, is Monday night, and yet we're already at we made it to the weekly swing up. And now some of that pressure is coming off, is the guys taking the other side of these trades have liquidated a lot of positions that were obviously short because everybody was so concerned about what's going on with the Iran and Israeli conflict and the U.S. participation. So the guys had to come in and put in that fix and do something about that. And that's my story, guys, and I'm sticking to it. Just simple math, guys. What if you got a pizza, and that pizza's there for you to eat the whole week, and suddenly in a day you eat 3/4 of the pizza, or even if you just eat a half of the pizza, you're gonna make it the week. Can you continue to survive off that pizza? And it's all you have. You're trapped somewhere, I don't know, and that's all you have for the entire week. That's simple. It's just simple math, guys. Okay, now I hope that you guys have got something from this. We made it really quick, made it really painless, and this number right here, this is the statistical average swing up, this is the statistical average swing down. This is the reaction we got when U.S. intervention in the Israel-Iran conflict. And why would all of this change in the span of just a couple of days? Just simple logic, guys. I used to love to watch Star Trek when I was little, and my father, when he was alive, used to love to say, well, that's illogical. Because he loved the Spock character just like I did. The man that was just driven off of logic. And when you see something like this, you have to look for logical solutions. That's all I got, guys. Once again, if we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you when I see you. Peace.